Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 10B, question number 9 to 14. One question is written on this board. Question number 10. A jeweler allows a discount of 16%. A jeweler allows a discount of 16% to each customer. Still gains 20%. Find the market price of a ring which cost the jeweler rupees 1190. Students, here given CP equal to rupees 1190 and gain is 20%. When CP and gain percent is given, then we can find SP. So SP equal to formula is CP into 100 plus gain percent. CP into 100 plus gain percent by 100 equal to CP is 1190 into 100 plus 20, 120 by divided by 100. 1 0 to 1 0, second 0 to second 0. Now 119 multiplied by 12. So multiply here 119 multiplied by 12. 9 to the 18. Carry 1. 1 to the 2 plus 1, 3. 1 to the 2. 9 1 ja 9. 1 1 ja 1. 1 1 ja 1. Now add it. 8. 9 plus 3, 12 of 2. Carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 1428. That is SP. Rupees 1428. Now next term is find M given discount equal to 16%. Discount equal to 16%. Discount equal to 16%. So MP equal to SP into 100. SP into 100 by 100 minus discount percent equal to SP's 1428 into 100 by 100 minus 16%. 100 minus 16, 84. Divide it. 21 for the 84 and 25 for the 100. Now 7 times 7 3 the 21 and 7 2 the 14, 2 8 0, 7 4 the 28. Now 3 times divide 204 by 3. 3 6 जा 18, 2 4 24, 3 8 जा 24. Now multiply 68 and 25. 68 multiply by 25. 8 5 जा 40 of 0 carry 4. 6 5 जा 30 plus 4 34 of 34. 8 2 जा 16. 8 2 जा 16 of 6 carry 1. 6 2 जा 12 1 13. Add it 0. 6 plus 4 10 of 0 carry 1. 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7 equal to rupees 1700. Answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is, after allowing a discount of 10% on the marked price, discount 10% on the marked price, a trader still makes a gain of 17%. By what percent is the marked price above the cost price? So let CP be rupees X. Let CP be rupees X. Gain %. Gain 17%. So SP equal to CP into 100 plus gain percent by 100 equal to X into 100 plus 17, 117 by 100 equal to rupees 100 17x by 100. (117x by 100) SP. Now discount 10%. So discount is 10%. So find MP equal to SP into 100 by 100 minus discount percent. MP equal to SP into 100 by 100 minus discount percent. So equal to SP equal to 117. 117x by 100 into 100 by 100 minus discount. So 100 minus discount. Discount is 10%, so 90. 100 to 100 cancel. 9 times 10 9 ja 90 and 13 9 ja 170. So equal to MP equal to rupees 13x by 10. CPX and MP 13x by 10. So MP is above. MP is above. MP is above 13x by 10 minus x equal to LCM 10. 13x minus 10x equal to 3x by 10. Now above percent. Therefore, above percent, above into 100. 3x by 10 into 100. Above into 100 by CP. So x to x, 0 to 0 equal to 30% answer. Understand and write. Students, next question. The marked price of TV, is rupees 18,500. A dealer allows two successive discount of 20% and 5%. So for how much is the TV available? So MP of the TV, MP equal to rupees 8,500. MP is rupees 8,500. MP is rupees 8,500. First discount. First discount is 20%. So SP after 20% discount. Formula is MP into 100 minus discount percent by 100 equal to MP is rupees 8,000. Rupees 8,500. Multiply 100 minus 20. So 80. Divided by 100. 0 to 0. Second 0 to second 0. Equal to 1,850 multiplied by 8. So 0 into 8. 0. 5 8 ja 40 of 0 carry 4. 5 8 ja 40 of 0 carry 4. 8 8 ja 64 plus 4 68 of 8 carry 6. 1 8 ja 8 plus 6 14. Rupees 14,800. Now second SP. Second discount. Second discount is 5%. So therefore SP equal to SP at 5% discount. So 14,800 is MP for second discount. So MP into 100 by 100 minus discount. 14,800 into 100 minus 5, 95 by 100. Divide 19 5 ja 95 and 25 ja 100. 0 to 0 cancel. Now 2 times 7 740. 740. Now 740 multiplied by 90. So multiply 740 multiplied by 90. 0 9 जा 0, 4 9 जा 36, of 6 carry 3, 7 9 जा 63, 63 and 3 66. Now one time 0 4 7 0 6. Now 6 plus 4 0 and 14. 14,060 rupees. 14,060 answer of this question. Now homework is solve exercise 10B, question 9 to 14. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 10B, question number 9 to 14. Thank you. That's all. Students, last question, question number 14. Find the single discount which is equivalent to two successive discount of 20% and 5%. Here two successive discount 25% and 5%. We have to find the single discount equivalent to both discount. So let MP equal to rupees 100. First discount equal to 20%. So therefore SP equal to 100 minus 20 equal to rupees 80. Rupees 80 is the MP for second discount. So second discount equal to 5%. Therefore SP equal to formula MP into 100. MP into 100 minus discount percent. MP into 100 minus discount percent by 100 equal to MP is 80 minus 100 minus 5, 95 by 100. Cancel it. 25 is 100 and 19 5 is 95 and 24 is so equal to rupees 76. Now therefore the required single discount equal to 100 minus 76% equal to 24% answer. Homework. Solve exercise 10B. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 10B. Thank you. That's all.